people.
Today we're doing a dog video.
Hello, people. Me and Brandon have started a video. And this is Tommy's dog, Lula. And that white dog over there is my dog.
Hey,
called Khaleesi.
Khaleesi, come here. Come here, girl. Listen.
She doesn't listen, but hold on. Sassy, put her down.
Put her down.
And show them a trick that I finally can do. No, let go of her.
Get out of the video.
Khaleesi, sit. Doesn't work all the time though.
Sit. Right. Good girl.
Sit. Oh yeah, they like love each other.
Even though we're both girls.
Baby girl. Alright. Hey, Lula.
This dog was born last year. Last year on like the last day of the month.
No, December 3rd. December 3rd.
Oh yeah, she was born. My dog was born December 3rd. This dog.
My dog was born October 6th.
When?
2009.
2009. So this dog is actually
A lot older.
She's actually 6.
So this is a 6-year-old dog plus a 5-year-old plus a 5-year-old dog. So her 5-month-old dog plus a 6-year-old dog.
6 and 5.
This thing is supposed to live by 15 to 20 years, so we're gonna have this thing for a long time.
Yep, good girl.
And it can fly. Probably not.
No. Don't throw her off. Lula.
Okay. What would be cool is if my dog were to start dog surfing on Lula.
I think we're taking this video outside.
No.
Brandon, get your leash for your dog.
Okay.
Okay. I'll grab the leash.
So I'm gonna pause. So guys, we're outside right now. I'm gonna go to the front yard with Lula. Come on, baby. No. Hey, no.
No, she's taking me with her.
Can somebody hold my candy here? Can somebody hold my candy?
Guys, get him out of the road. Get him out the road. Oh. Right, get her out of the road.
Alright, we're gonna get out of the road.
So now we're getting out the road.
Where I found my giant.
Sit. Lula.
Are you leaving?
Lula.
Handful Island.
She hates bites, so she might bite me.
I'm gonna stop it.
Come on. Lula, slide.
Lula,
Khaleesi, sit. Lula, sit.
Let's get moving.
Hey,
Hey, baby girl.
Baby girl, call me.
Yeah, we celebrated Percy's birthday yesterday. And my mom's and his mom. This guy's mom. Hi.
Hi, Khaleesi.
Today was Memorial Day. Wait, was it Memorial Day yesterday?
Yes.
Oh, she's going under your leg.
You get a close up of Khaleesi. Show them a close up.
This is how you close up. I figured it out.
Hey, Khaleesi. Smile.
Because I'm a dog.
Hello, Mr. FedEx man.
Hi, baby.
Random pencil.
No. My uncle's in the back, if just so you know. My uncle's in the back. Yes, he's in the backyard.
There's no dogs back there or anything, is there?
Just this one and my friend's dog.
We're both doing videos about it.
Khaleesi.
So guys, I'm back. We had to do this.
Khaleesi. Oh, baby girl.
When dogs attack.
No.
Why should you say that like a dog?
Hey, Khaleesi.
When a dog attacks. When a dog.
Hey, Khaleesi. Maya. Hey, she just.
We're gonna have a cuddle break.
Lula was trying to lick your phony thing.
Cuddle break. Tommy, cuddle with your dog.
Here's Lula.
We're gonna go cuddle break.
And here's Khaleesi. She's cute. She's trying to.
My dog's cuter.
No, your dog's big, so our
The dog licks your
dog is cute. And your dog.
I wish she likes me.
And
But we like some people.
small.
Girls drive her crazy.
Yes. She has a wet nose.
That Khaleesi likes that boy there in that truck. Khaleesi, come here.
Alright, time for regular walkies.
Let's go back to walking.
Yep. Now we're going back to rocking. Rocking. Khaleesi, you would die. No, do not go in the woods.
No woods right now.
No woods.
Oh, gee.
Yep.
She went pee already.
Yeah.
Wait, bad news. I was hoping she would pee on the ants now.
Yeah, she would have been. She would pee in there. She's small, and her legs are going not in there.
Have ant holes in the concrete.
And maybe there's flies.
Not dropping you in there.
I'm not dropping this in there.
Guys, get away from the road.
Why? There's no cars coming.
Doesn't matter. I don't want these dogs to die.
Me either.
My nose better. My dogs are French.
And our dog doesn't know better because it's nearly 5 months old.
And we are treating her,
I have it.
which Khaleesi's in a yard, which she can't poop in it
Let's go back.
or pee in it.
Let's go back to my yard. My yard, guys, quickly.
Here's our house. And
Video in 7 minutes.
yep. Hey, Khaleesi, you're next to a red bike. Let's go! Let's go! And especially for running. And now, Brayden and the Khaleesi dog are especially laying down on the grass